Hello students, welcome to EPG Pathshala. I am Dr. Sandeep Walia, Head of the Department, University Institute of Tourism and Hospitality Management, Chandigarh University. Today, we are going to discuss the module Official ITA Airlines Codes under the paper Aviation Industry, Ticketing and Frontier Formalities. Dear students, after completing this module, you will be able to understand the meaning and concept of airline code. You will also be come to know about the call signs, flight number, ICAO airline designator codes. You will also know about the Indian Airlines. You will also understand about various official ITA codes of the Indian Airlines. You will also be aware about various official ITA codes of ITA airline members operating worldwide. Dear students, due to the increased living standards of people and advancement of technology, aviation industry sustained a swift growth. India is also doing great job in aviation industry after globalization and privatization. International Air Transport Association plays very important role in aviation industry. It assigns official ITA airline codes to the airlines spread across the world. Airlines codes are generally two-letter code, starts from 0 to 9 or can start from A to Z. Airline codes helps in smooth running operation of the aviation industry. These codes help to recognize various airlines and used worldwide. Airline codes used in reservation, ticketing, airway bill, telecommunication, and in number of airline operations. The travel agents, airlines, airports, global distribution system, and ground handlers, etc. use these codes in the day-to-day operations. In the present module, we shall be discussing about the ITA codes of various Indian airlines as well as the ITA codes of the airlines operating worldwide. We shall also be discussing about ICAO codes of Indian as well as international airlines which are operating worldwide. Students, let us now discuss about airlines codes. In order to differentiate the airlines from one another, the International Air Transport Association issues each airline its code. Airline code is a two-letter code allocated to the airlines assigned by International Air Transport Association. Airline codes start from 0 to 9 or from ABC to Z. They can be of two alphabets. ITA airline codes are also known as ITA reservation code, which are used to identify the airline for the following purposes. It is used for reservations, tickets, tariffs, airway bills, and telecommunications, etc. The next is ICAO airline designators. International Civil Aviation Organization airline designator codes may be defined as the alphabetic codes assigned to various aircraft agencies. It is a three-letter designator code assigned by International Civil Aviation Organization to the various aircrafts. For example, for Air India, the ICAO code is AIC in capital letters. For Jet Airways, it's JAI, and for Indian Express, it is AXB, and for Indigo, it is IGO, and many more. The students can furnish more information regarding ICAO airline designator codes on ICAO's official website. This information can also be found through Airline Coding Directory. Let us now talk about what is Airline Coding Directory. Airline Coding Directory provides complete details about the three-letter airline numeric codes, country codes, list of minimum connecting time, airline codes, etc. and is widely used by airlines, airports. This is also widely used by various global distribution systems worldwide and the ground handlers. It is also used by government agencies and travel agents, etc. Let us now discuss about call signs. These may be defined as the communication signs and are spoken during air-band radio transmissions. For example, a France call sign is Air France, that is AIRFRANS. The next one is the flight number. Flight number refers to a numeric part of a flight code through which the flights can be specifically identified. For example, BA2490. This means the flight is of British Airways and its flight number is 2490. It is operating from Washington DC to Los Angeles. With the help of these flight numbers, we can also identify and check the location and movement of the flight. We can also check whether the flight is on time or it has got delayed. Dear students, let us now discuss about some of the Indian airlines. The following section discusses about the major Indian airline carriers which are operating their flying operations from India. Air India is the largest and oldest service operator, comes in operation in July 1932. It is a government-owned aviation company. The second one is the Jet Airways. It is the second largest company after Air India and it is based in Mumbai. Its international hub is situated at Brussels. The third one is the Indigo. From 2006, it is serving domestic destinations throughout the country. The fourth one is SpiceJet. It is the low-cost airline operating in India. The next one is the Go Air. It offers low fares on domestic flights and it came into operations from the year 2005. Then the next one is the Vistara Airways. It is a joint venture of Tata Sons and the Singapore Airlines Limited. The next one is Jetlight. Jetlight operates 110 flights on daily basis and its headquarters is situated in Mumbai. The next one is Air India Express. It is a subsidiary of Air India and is a low-cost carrier. Then the next one is Zexus Air. It gives services from Embraer E175 aircraft. Next one is Jet Connect. It is low on airfares without compromising passengers' flying experience. It was launched in the year 2009. The next one is the Air Costa. It is also a domestic Indian airline which is headquartered in Vijayawada. Then there is Air India IC. It operates in Mumbai, both domestic and international connections. The next one is the Turbo Megha Airways. It is basically a Hyderabad-based airline. The next one is Kingfisher. It was best economy class, seats and staff services were good, but this airline is not operating nowadays. The next one is Kingfisher Red. The new name of this company is Air Deccan. It is also a low-cost airline. The next one is Air Carnival. It was established in the year 2013, headquartered in Delhi, and it functions mainly in chartered services. Then there is TrueJet. It is also a domestic airline providing excellent services to the passengers. Dear students, let us now discuss about major Indian airlines with official IATA and ICAO codes. The below mentioned is a tabular representation which depicts the name of the airline, followed by its type, headquarters, when was the airline first commenced its operations. The table also depicts about the official IATA code of the airlines followed by its ICAO designator code. The first one is Air India. It is a flagship carrier and a full-service airline which is headquartered in Delhi. It commenced its operations from the year 1932. Its IATA code is AI, whereas its ICAO code is AIC. The second one is Jet Airways. It is also a full-service airline which is headquartered in Mumbai. It commenced its first flight from the year 1993. Its IATA code is JA and the ICAO code is JAI. The next one is Air India Express. It is a low-cost airline which is headquartered in Kochi. It commenced its operations from 2005. Its IATA code is IX, whereas its ICAO code is AXB. Indigo, which is also a low-cost carrier, headquartered at Gurgaon. It started its operation from the year 2006. Its IATA code is NB, whereas its ICAO code is IGO. The next one is the SpiceJet. SpiceJet is also a low-cost airline. Its headquarters is at Gurgaon. It started its operations in the year 2005. Its code is SG, whereas its ICAO code is SEJ. Then the next one is Air Asia India. It is also a low-cost airline headquartered at Chennai. It came into existence in the year 2014. Its ITA code is DZ, whereas its ICAO code is AXM. Then there is the Vistara. Vistara is a full-service low-cost airline headquartered in Delhi. It started its operations in the year 2015. Its ITA code is UK, whereas its ICAO code is VTI. The next is the Go Air. Go Air is also a low-cost airline headquartered at Mumbai. It commenced its operations from the year 2005. Its ITA code is GO, whereas its ICAO code is GOW. Then the next one is Alliance Air or the Air India. It's a regional airline or may be called as the subsidiary of Air India, headquartered at New Delhi. It commenced its operations from the year 1996. Its ITA code is 9I, whereas its ICAO code is LLR. Then there is Air Odisha. It is also a regional airline headquartered at Bhubaneswar. Started its operation from the year 2012. Its ITA code is AO, whereas its ICAO code is AOA. Then the next one is Air Carnival, which is also a regional flight headquartered at Coimbatore. Commenced its operations from the year 2016. Its ITA code is 2S, whereas its ICAO code is ACV. The next one is the FlyEasy. FlyEasy is also a regional airline headquartered at Bangalore. It started its operation in the year 2016. Its ITA code is N5, whereas ICAO code is FEY. The next one is the TruJet. It is a regional airline headquartered at Hyderabad. Started its operations in the year 2015. Its ITA code is TZ, whereas ICAO code is TRU. Then the Blue Dart Aviation, which is a cargo carrier headquartered at Chennai, started its operations from the year 1995. Its ITA code is BZ, whereas ICAO code is BDA. Then the next one is the Quick Jet Cargo Airlines, which is also a cargo carrier. It is headquartered at Bangalore. It started its operations from the year 2016. Its ITA code is QO, whereas ICAO code is FAQ. Then the next one is Chhattisgarh Airlink, which is a charter services headquartered at Raipur. It started its operations from the year 2012. Its ITA code is CJ, whereas ICAO code is CJS. Then the next one is the Taj Air, which is also a chartered flight carrier. It is headquartered at Mumbai. It started its operation in 1993. Its ITA code is TX, whereas its ICAO code is MGE. Dear students, let us now discuss about official ITA and ICAO airline codes of the airlines operating worldwide. The below mentioned is a tabular representation of the official ITA codes of the different airlines operating worldwide. The table also depicts the ICAO designator codes of such airlines and their country of origin. The first one is Adira Airways, which is an official carrier of Slovenia. Its ITA code is JP, whereas its ICAO designator is ADR. Its 3-digit code is 165. The second one is Aegean Airlines from Greece. The ITA code is A3, ICAO code is AEE, and the 3-digit code is 390. The next one is AER Linguis, which is headquartered in Ireland. ITA code is EI, ICAO code is EIN, and the 3-digit code is 053. The next one is Aero Republica, which is from Colombia. ITA code is P5, ICAO code is RPB, and the 3-digit code is 845. The next one is Aeroflot, which is a carrier of Russian Federation. Its ITA code is SU, ICAO code is AFL, and the 3-digit code is 555. Then the next one is Aerolíneas Argentina, which is from Argentina. ITA code is AR, ICAO code is ARG, and the 3-digit code is 044. Then the next one is Galapagos SA Aerogal, which is from Ecuador. ITA code is 2K, ICAO code is GLG, and the 3-digit code is 547. Then there is Air Mexico from Mexico. ITA code is AM, ICAO is AMX, and 3-digit code is 139. Then there one is Air Algeria from Algeria. ITA code is AH, ICAO code is DAH, and the 3-digit code is 124. Then there is Air Arabia, which is from United Arab Emirates. ITA code is G9, ICAO code is ABY, and the 3-digit code is 514. Then there is Air Astana, which is from Kazakhstan. ITA code is KC, ICAO is KZR, and 3-digit code is 465. The next one is Air Astral, which is of the Reunion. ITA code is UU, ICAO is REU, and the 3-digit code is 760. Then next one is Air Baltic, which is from Latvia. ITA code is BT, ICAO is BTI, and 3-digit code is 657. Then Air Berlin, based in Germany. ITA code is AB, whereas ICAO code is BER, and 3-digit code is 745. Then the next is Air Botswana, based in Botswana. ITA code is BP, ICAO code is BOT, and 3-digit code is 636. Then next one is Air Cairo, headquartered in Egypt. ITA code is SM, ICAO is MSC, and 3-digit code is 381. Then the next one is Air Canada, headquartered in Canada. ITA code is AC, ICAO code is ACA, and 3-digit code is 014. Then next is Air China Limited, which is the official carrier of People's Republic of China. ITA code is CA, ICAO is CCA, and the code 3-digit code is 999. Then Air Europa, headquartered in Spain. ITA code is UX, ICAO is AEA, and the 3-digit code is 996. The next one is Air France, headquartered in France. ITA code is AF, ICAO is AFR, and 3-digit code is 057. Then there is Air India, which is headquartered in India. ITA code is AI, ICAO is AIC, and 3-digit code is 098. Then the next one is Air Koryo, that is the Republic of Korea. ITA code is JS, ICAO is KOR, and 3-digit is 120. Then there is Air Macau, which is headquartered in Macau, SAR, China. ITA code is NX, ICAO is AMU, and the 3-digit code is 675. Then Air Madagascar, headquartered in Madagascar. ITA code is MD, ICAO is MDG, and 3-digit code is 258. Then there is Air Malta, headquartered at Malta. ITA code is KM, ICAO is AMC, 3-digit code is 643. Then there is Air Mauritius, headquartered in Mauritius. ITA code is MK, ICAO is MAU, and 3-digit code is 239. Then the next is Air Moldova, which is the Republic of Moldova. ITA code is 9U, ICAO is MLD, and 3-digit code is 572. The next is Air Namibia, headquartered at Namibia. ITA code is SW, ICAO is NMB, and the 3-digit code is 186. The next one is Air New Zealand, which is a carrier of New Zealand. ITA code is NZ, ICAO is ANZ, and the 3-digit code is 086. Then the next one is Air Serbia, which is a carrier of Serbia. ITA code is JU, ICAO is ASL, and the 3-digit code is 115. Then there is Air Seychelles, which is a carrier of Seychelles. ITA code is HM, ICAO is SEY, and 3-digit code is 061. Then the next one is Air Tahiti, which is a carrier of French Polynesia. ITA code is VT, ICAO is VTA, and 3-digit code is 135. Then the next one is Air Tahiti Nui, which is also a carrier of French Polynesia. ITA code is TN, ICAO is TST, and the 3-digit code is 244. Then there is Air Transit, which is a carrier of Canada. ITA code is TS, ICAO is TSC, and the 3-digit code is 649. Then the next one is Air Vanuatu, which is a carrier of Vanuatu. ITA code is NF, ICAO is AVN, and the 3-digit code is 218. Then the next one is Airbridge Cargo Airlines, which is a carrier of Russian Federation. ITA code is RU, ICAO code is ABW, and 3-digit code is 580. Then the next one is Airlink, which is a carrier of South Africa. ITA code is 4Z, ICAO code is LNK, and the 3-digit code is 749. The next one is Alaska Airlines, which is a carrier of United States. ITA code is AS, ICAO code is ASA, and the 3-digit code is 027. The next one is Alitalia, which is a carrier of Italy. ITA code is AZ, ICAO code is AZA, and the 3-digit code is 055. Then there is All Nippon Airways, which is a carrier of Japan. Its ITA code is NH, ICAO code is ANA, and 3-digit code is 205. Then the next one is the Allied Air Al Masriya, which is a carrier of Nigeria. Its ITA code is 4W, ICAO code is AJK, and the 3-digit code is 574. Then the next one is the American Airlines, which is a carrier of United States. Its ITA code is AA, ICAO code is AAL, and its 3-digit code is 001. Then the next one is Eric Air, which is a carrier of Nigeria. ITA code is W3, ICAO code is ARA, and the 3-digit code is 725. Then the next one is Arkia Israeli Airlines, which is of a carrier of Israel. ITA code is IZ, ICAO code is AIZ, and the 3-digit code is 238. Then the next one is Asiana. It is a carrier of Korea. ITA code is OZ, ICAO code is AAR, and the 3-digit code is 988. The next one is ASL Airlines Belgium, a carrier of Belgium. ITA code is 3V, ICAO code is TAY, and 3-digit code is 756. Then the next one is Atlas Air, which is a carrier of United States. ITA code is 5BY, ICAO code is GTI, and the 3-digit code is 369. Then the next one is Atlas Global, which is a carrier of Turkey. Its ITA code is KK, its ICAO code is KKK, and its 3-digit designator is 610. Then the next one is Austral, which is a carrier of Argentina. Its ITA code is AU, whether the ICAO code is AUT, and 3-digit code is 143. The next one is Austrian, a carrier of Austria. ITA code is OS, ICAO code is AUA, and its 3-digit code is 257. The next airline is Avianca, a carrier of Colombia. ITA code is AV, ICAO code is AVA, and 3-digit code is 134. The next airline is Avianca Brazil, which is a carrier of Brazil. Its ITA code is 06. Its ICAO code is ONE, and its 3-digit code is 247. The next one is the Bahamas Air, a carrier of Bahamas. ITA code is UP, ICAO code is BHS, and 3-digit code is 111. Then the next one is Bangkok Air, which is a carrier of Thailand. ITA code is PG, ICAO code is BKP, and the 3-digit code is 829. Then the next one is Belavia Belarusian Airlines, which is a carrier of Belarus. ITA code is B2, ICAO is BRU, and the 3-digit code is 628. Then the next one is BH Air, which is a carrier of Bulgaria. ITA code is 8H, ICAO code is BGH, and the 3-digit code is 366. Then the next one is Biman, which is a carrier of Bangladesh. ITA code is BG, ICAO is BBC, and the 3-digit code is 997. Then the next one is Binter Canaries, which is a carrier of Spain. ITA code is NT, ICAO code is IBB, and the 3-digit code is 474. Then the next one is Blue Air, which is a carrier of Romania. Its ITA code is OB, ICAO is BMS, and 3-digit code is 475. Then the next one is the Blue Panorama, which is a carrier of Italy. Its ITA code is BV, ICAO is BPA, and its 3-digit code is 004. Then the next one is the BMI Regional, which is a carrier of United Kingdom. Its ITA code is BM, its ICAO code is BMR, and its 3-digit code is 480. Then there is the British Airways, which is a carrier of United Kingdom. Its ITA code is BA, ICAO code is BAW, and 3-digit code is 125. Then there is Brussels Airlines, which is a carrier of Belgium. Its ITA code is SN, ICAO is BEL, and 3-digit code is 082. Then the next one is Bulgaria Air, which is a carrier of Bulgaria. ITA code is FB, ICAO is LZB, and its 3-digit code is 623. Then the next is Capital Airlines, which is a carrier of People's Republic of China. ITA code is JD, ICAO code is CBJ, and 3-digit code is 898. Then the next one is Cathay Dragon, which is a carrier of Hong Kong SAR China. ITA code is KA, ICAO code is HDA, while the 3-digit code is 043. The next one is Cathay Pacific, which is also a carrier of Hong Kong SAR China. The ITA code is CX, ICAO code is CPA, and the 3-digit code is 160. Then there is China Airlines, which is a carrier of Chinese Taipei. ITA code is CI, ICAO code is CAL, and the 3-digit code is 297. Then there is the China Eastern, which is a carrier of People's Republic of China. ITA code MU, ICAO code CES, and the 3-digit code is 781. Then there is China Southern Airlines, which is also a carrier of People's Republic of China. ITA code is CZ, ICAO code is CSN, and the 3-digit code is 784. The next one is Croatia Airlines, which is a carrier of Croatia. ITA code is OU, ICAO is CTN, and the 3-digit code is 831. The next one is Delta Airlines, which is a carrier of United States. ITA code is DL, ICAO code is DAL, and the 3-digit code is 006. Then the next one is Egypt Air, which is a carrier of Egypt. Its ITA code is MS, ICAO code is MSR, and 3-digit code is 007. And then the next one is Emirates, which is a carrier of United Arab Emirates. ITA code is EK, ICAO code is UAE, and the 3-digit code is 176. Then the Etihad Airways, which is also a carrier of United Arab Emirates. ITA code is EY, ICAO code is ETD, and the 3-digit code is 607. Then there is EVA Air, which is also a Chinese Taipei. Its ITA code is BR, ICAO code is EVA, and 3-digit code is 695. Then there is Fiji Airways, which is a carrier of Fiji. ITA code is FJ, ICAO is FJI, and 3-digit code is 620. Then there is Fly Dubai, which is a carrier of United Arab Emirates. ITA code FZ, ICAO code FDB, and the 3-digit code is 141. Then there is the Garuda, which is a carrier of Indonesia. ITA code is GA, ICAO is GIA, and the 3-digit code is 126. Then there is Germania, which is a carrier of Germany. ITA code is ST, ICAO is GMI, and the 3-digit code is 246. Then there is Gulf Air, which is a carrier of Bahrain. ITA code is GF, ICAO code is GFA, and 3-digit code is 072. Then the next is Iceland Air, which is a carrier of Iceland. ITA code is FI, ICAO is ICE, and 3-digit code is 108. Then there is Iran Air, which is a Republic of Iran or Islamic. ITA code is IR, ICAO code is IRA, and the code is 096. Then there is Japan Airlines, which is a carrier of Japan. ITA code is JL, and ICAO code is JAL, and its 3-digit code is 131. Dear students, for the further information and the detailed information about the official ITA airline codes of the airlines operating worldwide, you can access to the table which is shown here, and you will come to know about the various airlines, from where they are having their headquarters or the origin, their ITA code, their official ICAO designator, and their 3-digit code. Dear students, let us now discuss about some of the popular Mexican airlines. The Mexican airlines which are very popular are Aeromexico, Viva Aerobus, Volaris. Let us now discuss about some of the popular African airlines. Some of the popular African airlines which include Air Algeria, Air Botswana, Air Burkina Congo Airlines, Diallo Airlines, Egypt Air, Ethiopian Airlines, Kenya Airways, Ghana International Airlines, Air Madagascar, and Air Mauritius. Let us also discuss about some of the popular American airlines. The popular airlines of America includes American Airlines, Air Canada, Alaska Airlines, Virgin America, and Hawaiian Airlines. Let us also take on popular European airlines. Some of the popular European airlines includes Lufthansa, Air France, Ryanair, Turkish Airlines, Finnair, Air Europe, Alitalia, and Wizz Air. Students, let us now summarize what we have discussed in the present module. Official ITA airline codes are widely used in aviation industry, that is for various purposes like ticketing, reservation, airway bill, telecommunications, and in itineraries, etc. It is the integral part of travel industry. It helps in recognition of airline and its traffic rules. ITA airline codes play a very vital role in smooth running of flight operations. These codes can be visualized with the help of electronic equipments installed at the airport and computer reservation system services, etc. to locate the flight and its details. International Civil Aviation Organization codes are also widely used for air traffic control and airline flights identification. It is a 3-letter code assigned to various aircrafts. ICAO is an UN body works on the harmonization of civil aviation regulations. ITA, that is the International Air Transport Association, helps in making the air traffic business and routing safer, secure, efficient, and reliable to keep this blooming industry works hassle-free. And with these words, I sum up this module. Thank you.